The most important thing about the first fold is that's what we typically call that first seriously, I just said that word, first part of the website. When you open up a brand new website, that first part of the website that loads that you see, that's called the first fold. And that first fold is really important because that's where your most important message is, and you need your first and most important H1 tag there for SEO purposes, because that's what Google is going to look for, is that H1 tag, and it needs to be in that first fold in bright big bold letters so people see it and SEO sees it. So you've got pre-made first fold panels in Cheetah, and they are really nice panels. They've really done a good job. And then let's go to add and panels. And these are the panels that are pre-configured for us. We've got a blank panel. And then here, this is the one we were talking about a little earlier, the first fold. This is that first area they see on the website when they go to the website. And this is the #1 most important area of your website, because this is what's going to set the tone for what the user decides to do, if they decide to stay or if they decide to leave. So if I click first fold, you're going to see some really nice first fold templates, some different colors, different designs, just some really cool stuff. And in this first fold, just like Chip had mentioned, there's going to be an H1 font. And that's important because Google for SEO wants you to have an H1 text on there. That helps you to get better rankings, is having that H1 text right on that first fold. So as you go down, that's what they've built for you, is little panels that already have H1 text for you. And that H1 text should be having your keywords in there that you want to rank for. So they are really looking ahead to help you figure out how to set up and get SEO optimized right away. So let's go ahead and pick one. I'll go ahead and pick this one. That looks good. So there's my H1 text, and I've got a little bit of a design right there, a little bit of text right there, and then some buttons. And so that panel is actually there and ready to go.